Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now by preparing the phone. Confirm your model supports Face ID and install any iOS update, because software fixes many issues. Once done, remove screen protectors and gently clean the true depth camera. Dirt or film blocks sensors. Next, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches and go straight to Settings Face ID and passcode so you can view status and begin reconfiguration without delay. You'll now reset and re-enroll Face ID because a fresh scan often fixes recognition. Tap Reset Face ID, then choose Set up Face ID. Do this in good lighting and avoid strong backlight so the sensor maps features accurately. Once started, position your face in the frame and slowly rotate your head to complete the full circle scan. This ensures depth data across angles. Finally, enable attention-aware features, and you'll finish by testing Face ID with the lock screen and a secure app to verify success. Make sure Face ID is enabled for the actions you want. If recognition still fails, update iOS, try reset all settings, and repeat the enrollment. Software or profile corruption can block the sensor. If problems persist, inspect true depth alignment and remove bulky cases. And if nothing helps, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics, because a defective module needs professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.